Welcome to our channel. Cooking a turkey in the oven with the correct temperature and timing ensures a perfectly moist bird with crispy skin for your holiday feast. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 165 degrees Celsius, which is the recommended safe temperature for even cooking throughout the entire turkey. Step 2. Remove the turkey from refrigeration about 1 hour before cooking to bring it closer to room temperature for more even cooking. Step 3. Remove the neck and giblets from both the main cavity and the neck cavity, then pat the turkey completely dry with paper towels. Step 4. Season the turkey inside and out with salt, pepper, and your preferred herbs, then brush the outside with melted butter or oil. Step 5. Place the turkey breast side up on a rack in a roasting pan to allow heat circulation underneath. Step 6. Calculate cooking time based on weight. Allow approximately 15 minutes per pound for an unstuffed turkey, or 20 minutes per pound if stuffed. Step 7. Tent the turkey loosely with aluminum foil for the first half of cooking to prevent the breast from overcooking and drying out. Step 8. Remove the foil during the last hour of cooking to allow the skin to brown and crisp beautifully. Step 9. Baste the turkey every 30 to 45 minutes with pan juices to keep the meat moist and enhance flavor. Step 10. Insert a meat thermometer into the thickest part of the thigh without touching bone. The turkey is done when it reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. Step 11. Let the turkey rest for 20 to 30 minutes before carving to allow juices to redistribute throughout the meat. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.